In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, so first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 minus 9, which gives us negative 8. Excuse me. Here we have negative 8. So 1 minus 9 then times negative 8. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 9 times negative 8 gives us negative 72. So 1 minus negative 72. Negative times negative gives us positive. So 1 plus 72, which equals 73. And this is our final answer to this problem.